In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search effectively in Apollo.io. Whether you're a newcomer to this platform or looking to refine your searching skills for business or networking purposes, this guide will walk you through each step clearly. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Apollo.io. For those unfamiliar with it, Apollo.io is a comprehensive platform designed to assist with sales engagement and prospecting. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice at the top right corner, there's a button labeled Login. Click on that Login button to access your account. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you have, enter your credentials to proceed. Now, having successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Apollo.io, which offers an array of tools and features. The next step involves using the Quick Search feature. Look towards the top of your screen and you'll see the search bar prominently displayed. This is what we refer to as Quick Search, and it allows you to instantly start searching through Apollo's extensive database. Click into the search bar, and you've just opened the door to finding a plethora of valuable business information. Think about what or who you're searching for. This could be a keyword related to an industry, a specific person you want to connect with, or even an entire company. Type your chosen keyword, person, or company name into the search bar. As you type, you'll likely notice Apollo.io's smart predictions helping you out by suggesting potential matches. These suggestions can be incredibly helpful if you're unsure of the exact term or name you're looking for. Once you've entered your search term, hit enter. Within moments, Apollo.io will generate a list of people, companies, or results that relate to your search. This list will be populated with valuable insights and data points to assist in your search efforts. Take your time to review the results. You can click on any result for more detailed information, which can include connection paths, engagement histories, and potential networking opportunities. As you see, searching in Apollo.io is a straightforward yet powerful way to discover and connect with the right people and businesses to further your professional endeavors. Keep in mind, this tool is versatile, and the more specific you are with your search terms, the more refined your results will be. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview on how to effectively search in Apollo.io. Thank you for joining me today. Hope this video empowers you to make the most out of your Apollo.io experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to share it with others who might benefit.